leading the parade contingent, Platoon Commander ABSI Sumartu Snaitang. Kershan Lang Shabong and flag bearer Rebecca Marwin. Mansuk Lang Nablang. Mayang Presbyterian High Secondary School, Dai Banbek Lindo Maulong Platoon Commander, Plakat bearer Elza Afinia Hujon and flag bearer Dai Labet Basaiman. Lamtor High Secondary School, Lida Shisha Parlong Platoon Commander, Larisha Khat flag bearer, Nathaniel Lindo Inshi flag bearer. Bintaya Secondary School, Slow Lang Rantapia Platoon Commander. The students of Mayang Presbyterian English Secondary School, Frankie Donald Lindo Nonga Platoon Commander, Yurika Yalam Plakat bearer, Andrew Starfield Rani flag bearer. We have the girls of Kinchi High Secondary School, Ida Rari Solang Platoon Commander, Iban Dalisha Nomsir Plakat bearer, Iban Gabyang Lindo Nanglag flag bearer. Before us, Mapunsa Secondary School, Danya Ines Cameron Tatyang Platoon Commander, Angelina Nonglang Plakat bearer, Hame Lawrence Tatyang flag bearer.